Hello guys, what's up? What's going on guys? How are you guys doing? Happy New Year guys. This is my first video this year. Hoping you guys are doing fine like I am here. I was really waiting for December to get over so that we can do this video. So finally I get to show you how much YouTube paid me in the month of December. I know you guys, I know I failed. I didn't show you how much YouTube paid me in November. I actually did not post any video in December. I want you guys to see how much YouTube will pay even if you don't post, as long as your channel is monetized. Are you guys ready? Please don't skip ads, guys. Don't skip ads in this video. At least support this video, Watch, be patient, watch an ad, one or two, support your girl. Also, guys, remember to like this video. This video is going to be interesting. So even before you watch it, just like, if you've never liked any of my videos, just like this one. This one is so interesting. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. As always, I love to show you guys how much views or how many views I got in that month. So in December, let's get to see how many views I got. As you guys can see, I got 3.4k views or 3,400 views. So bearing in mind, I did not post any video. These are views from my previous videos. The good thing with YouTube is that once you post your videos and you leave them there, they'll get views. Even the videos I posted in 2020 when I was starting, and they're still getting views. So that's the beauty of having a YouTube channel. Yeah, and as you can see, they have written for me, they are down on the analytics that these views are less than usual, with 1,500. So imagine I have lost 1,500 views. Those are so many views for me, considering I am a starting YouTuber, and this is not a good trend. I hope to stop. I hope to be consistent this year. Definitely, guys, you know me, I'm a go-getter, and when I decide to do something, I definitely do it. So this year, consistency is back. Yeah, so traffic, let's look at the traffic source type, where my viewers, are coming from, where they are seeing my videos from. As you can see, the highest is YouTube search. So many people have been searching, and then YouTube suggests my videos. Another one is suggested videos, and then other YouTube features, and then browse features. Yeah, this one really matters when it comes to revenue, because if your videos are not in the search button, it means you can't get views. So, and views is equivalent to money. Yeah, and let's see the age, the audience. Mostly the age that watched my video in December is between 18 to 24, 52%, definitely. And then between 25 to 34 is 47%. Quite the same as, usual. And as you can see, more females are watching my videos than males. I wonder. But it's because I'm a female, obviously. So let's look at top geographies. This one really determines how much you make, because if most viewers are from Kenya and then somebody else has viewers from UK, definitely the one with views from UK will make more money. For me, as you can see, most of my viewers this month of December are from Kenya, and top geography is only Kenya. It means even the other countries have been watching, but not really much. That's the problem of not posting on YouTube. Yeah, because YouTube stops suggesting your videos like it used to do. I don't know why. Why do they do this? Anyway, as you can see, most people actually watch my videos, but they do not subscribe. So that's why most of the views are from those people who have not subscribed. And then only 9% have subscribed. So guys, after you watch this video, please subscribe so that you will see my other videos. Don't just go away after viewing this. We need those subscribers. Anyway, without wasting time now, let's go to the most awaited part. I know most of you want to see how much money I made. You guys, between October and December, I was really inconsistent. So definitely, you will see a change in revenue. But anyway, let me show you how much YouTube paid me in December. Let's start with top videos, the top earning videos. You guys, as you can see, the obvious video that went viral has made the most money. It has made $4.56. This video, actually, 5 apps that pay me. I actually posted this video in May 2020. Imagine, the whole of 2021, it was the one that was making me most of the money. And it's a video I posted a long time ago. So that tells you it's good to post. You just post. You never know when one video is going to go viral. And you never know which video is going to make you the most money. Yeah, and then as you can see, how much YouTube paid me for posting a video every day also made me so much money in the month of December. It made me $1.34. I wonder, I don't usually understand how YouTube, places those ads, because this is a video I posted in November 2021. So it has accumulated those views only in the month of December, and it has already made $1.34. That tells you if this video went viral, it could have made me so much money, because it has less than 200 views, so far. Hiya, and that video is how I make $500 at the age of 22. This video also makes me so much money. It has made me $0.56, and I posted this video also in 2020. So these videos that I posted, like, is it 1 year ago or 2 years ago? They are the ones that are making me money right now. You guys, if you want to start a channel, please start as early as now, so that in 2025 those videos will be making you money, okay? And then, yeah, that's basically it. The rest have made less than $1. So those 3 videos are the ones that have actually brought me this far. You guys, let's look at the ad types so that we can know what kind of ads are being played in my videos, because that actually determines the amount of money you get paid. As you can see, the skippable ads as always, and then display ads, and then bumper ads, and then non-skippable ads. I wonder why non-skippable ads don't make money, yet they cannot be skipped. And then the ads that people skip are actually the ones that make me money. I just don't understand. You guys, if you see an ad on this video, please don't skip. Help your girl make it, help your girl make money this year, this 2022. I have not even withdrawn any kind of money on YouTube, but I'll talk about that later, the reasons why I have never withdrawn any money on YouTube. Anyway, guys, let me show you how much YouTube paid me in December. Now, the total revenue, those were just samples from videos. The total much YouTube has paid me, as you can see, your estimated revenue is $9.83. So yeah, that's how much YouTube paid me in the month of December without posting any single video in that month. So guys, I showed you how much YouTube paid me for posting a video every day. I hope you guys have checked that video. You can go and check it out in the playlist of how much YouTube pays me. And now you've seen how much YouTube paid me for not posting a video at all in that month. So I don't know, you guys, just be the judges and tell me, do you think it's worth it? Is it worth to start a YouTube channel? You guys comment down below and tell me, because yeah, I'm just giving you the analytics. I want you to be the judges, So yeah, guys, subscribe to my channel after you watch this video so that you can watch now the next video, where I'll be talking about how much YouTube paid me the whole of 2022. I'll be posting that video on Thursday, so you guys don't miss that. It's the next video. Yeah, so that you can see how much YouTube paid me in 2022. Why in 2021, I mean, and why I have never ever withdrawn a single cent from YouTube. There are so many challenges here on YouTube, and they are the good and we have the bads. I don't know which one outweighs the other. You guys have been hearing my stories, so you already know. You can tell, is it really wise to start a channel? Can you really rely on a YouTube channel as a full-time job? Imagine $9 in a whole month. That one cannot even pay any bill. So I don't know. For me, I do YouTube for fun and to educate people. Yeah. that's it. So yeah, you guys, that's it. That's how much YouTube paid me in December without posting any kind of video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was useful. Comment down below, tell me the kind of videos you want to see in future so that I can know what you expect and what to show you, the kind of videos I should shoot for you guys. Yeah, until next time, hope to see you guys in my next video. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed watching it. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss my next future interesting videos. Yep. Until next time, bye guys.